Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and I'm going to cover about SQL for all. It means it is for beginners and as well as expert level and advanced level. And this SQL will help to easy way to understand, guys. Let's go ahead and start the topic. So what is SQL? SQL is basically it is a structured query language, guys. It is standard language for managing data in relational database management system. So guys, this for example, if you have programming, you have follow C, C++, Java. So in order to make the applications, right? Same like here stuff also, it is standard language for managing data in RDBMS system. Okay, what is RDBMS? I will cover in the next topic, guys. Okay. SQL statements are used to perform tasks such as creation, querying, updating, and deleting data in database. Suppose with help of the structured query language, we can do some operations like, for example, if you want to create a table, if you want to do fetching the data from the table, right? You can do all these things with help of this, like creating, querying, and updating and deleting data in database. So database is nothing but this, it contains the tables. What is table? Combination of rows and columns to maintain your data. Okay. SQL is a declarative language, which means that you tell the database what you want to do and not how to do it. So this makes SQL easy to learn and use even for beginners also, guys. Okay. So this is about what is SQL. So things can do in the SQL, guys. So I already told you we can manage the database, we can manage the table, and we can do some operations like insert, update, delete data from table, and we can retrieve data from table. And joins, views, store procedures, these are all the advanced topic which will cover in the future, guys. Okay. And guys, and if you want to provide some access to the table at DB level, right? So grant and revoke will be helpful for the provide the authorization to the user as well as for the developer, or users as well as for the developer, or this can be maintained by the DB admin. Okay. So rules for SQL, guys. So guys, if you want to use SQL before writing any programming language or before writing any DBMS, right, or SQL statement, so you have to follow some rules, guys. For example, use keyword in uppercase. This make your code easier to read and understand. It means that whenever you're writing, right, SQL statement, you should follow the uppercase letter. So whenever you're writing, like for example, insert, create, right, please maintain in uppercase letter and a whole column name also. It will help to easy to read and understand. End of each statement with semicolon. So guys, the best practice always end with semicolon. This help to prevent errors. If you're writing length of statement, right? So at that time it is like length of line of statement. So please maintain a semicolon. It will help to prevent error. Use single quote for string and use double quote for identifiers. It will tell you the database that a value of name or something in the database such as table or column. So whenever you're using a table or column, you should maintain some double quotes. Use comparison operator to filter the result. If you want to fetch the data from the SQL table, right, you have to use some comparison operator. Use parenthesis to group expression. If you're applying some aggregation operation, you have to apply some parenthesis, right? It will easy to code easier, read and understand, guys. Okay, use white space to improve readability. So these are the rules for SQL, guys. So what is RDBMS? RDBMS are most common type of database management system. They are used by the business, organization, individual to store and manage the data of all kinds. So guys, basically RDBMS is like common type of database management system. It's one type of system. It helps to organize your data properly. Okay, so it means it is basically helpful for the business organization. Individual, they can store and manage the data of all kinds. Some popular RDBMS are like MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, and Microsoft SQL Server. There are some like RDBMS rules which are helpful for to maintain the RDBMS. Data integrity, first concept. The RDBMS enforce data integrity rules which are ensure the data in the data base is accurate and consistent. So you should apply some rules, make sure the data should be the accurate and consistent. The RDBMS provides security features to protect the data from unauthorized access. So it won't allow to another people to access it. So basically we are going to provide username and password for this one. And data scalability, nothing but the RDBMS can be scaled to large to handle large amount of database. So RDBMS is basically helpful for the to handle large amount of database. Data performance RDBMS can optimize to improve performance of query. You have to write some queries which will helpful for the optimize the query in order to fetch the data. It will help to performance your queries, guys, in order to fetch the data. So these are and data portable. RDBMS can use to move data between different systems. We can move data from different systems. Basically, ETL operations are happening, right? Those all comes under here. So this is about main things of RDBMS, guys. Okay. And next topic is examples of RDBMS. Already tell you MySQL is a already tell you few examples like we have already seen, right? There are some detailed level of RDBMS examples. MySQL is a popular open source RDBMS. It is known for its easy use and scalability. PostgreSQL, another popular open source RDBMS, it is known for its reliability and data integrity feature. So, guys, based on the RDBMS rules, you have a choice to utilize the databases as MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle. Oracle is a commercial RDBMS that is used to many large organizations. It is known for its performance and security feature. Basically, bankings are mostly using this Oracle, guys. And PostgreSQL also open source RDBMS is known for readability and data integrity features. So it means if you mostly like Amazon websites are mostly using this kind of PostgreSQL and MySQL mostly for the PHP side websites related, guys. So guys, I'm not telling the particular use. Basically, based on the requirement, mostly this kind of RDBMS solutions we are using. Now comes out MySQL server is a commercial RDBMS that is used for many businesses. It's known for feature of data warehouse and business intelligence. So basically, based on the requirement, based on the scenarios, they will use it. So guys, RDBMS uses customer relationship management, CRM, ERP level, SAP sites, and supply chain management, finance management, human resource management, manufacturing, retails, healthcare, education, etc. So RDBMS can use wide variety of applications which will help for the business in order to make properly maintaining the data for their use case. So this is about the SQL, guys. I hope you like this topic. Please subscribe my channel